Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the shop. It's Chuck, and as you know, the channel's Outside Screwball. And named this video, it's another Screwy Tuesday, and I named this video because I can. And because my buddy Howie, go on, get, don't hit the camera and get out. You're going to be at the end of this video. Go. So Howie's going to show up at the end of this video. Get. Howie's going to show up in the end of this video. He made his own thing, so we're going to talk about that at the end. So back to the start of this video, the interruption there. Named this one because I can, and just did a couple of builds. One of them was I made it in my last video. I showed you I bought a bunch of 3/4 inch box wrenches. So this is the one I made for myself. I made another one that I put on eBay for sale, see if it'll sell or not. So you'll see the build of that. And the second, because I can, we had a soap dispenser at our kitchen sink that broke, and I decided to see if I could fix it just because I can. And it was a fun build. Honestly, it was Sunday afternoon, 5 in the afternoon, 6 in the afternoon. That was after dinner, 6:30. Really not feeling very energetic, kind of down, and was just going to go down and sit down and watch TV. And I decided to walk out in the shop for a few minutes, pick that up, and I finished it at 9:30 that night. All the energy came in, and had a great time fooling around and building and filming. So filmed it for you guys. So hope you enjoy it. A couple of little things going on here, and thought I'd show you one purchase I just recently did. I got myself a 1 3/13 Hogan cutter. It was on eBay in an odd listing, and I paid 15 bucks for that baby. That was a great buy. Excited to use it. And we'll use it somewhere here in the future on a project. Okay, again, thanks for stopping by. If you can, visit Stan Zinkosky's channel. I know you've probably seen this on various channels. I did one the other day about the Stan's Bash. Visit his channel, support his channel, support the bash that's coming up. If you can assist him somehow, it's going to be a great time, and I'm really excited to meet a lot of friends that, just as you, have only seen him on the YouTube videos. As always, please share, like, subscribe, comment. Love hearing the comments. And to anybody out there, if you got a dislike, speak it up. Love to hear it. Everybody can have an opinion, and I think if there's a dislike, I think most creators of YouTube videos would like to know why. Whether it's the color of my hair or my size of my nose or whatever. Who cares? But it'd be interesting to know. It's all part about education through communication. All right, well, continue on, and hope you enjoy. Well, I still haven't decided on what my Screwy name will be for my Lipton copy of the wrench for the Kurt vise, but here's the start of making one. Yep, there's the amputee. Yeah, we'll get a little shaping on the grinder, clean up. Okay. I think that'll work good. Gotta just love this little Wilton power arm. So, got it set up there. Got it basically all dimensions and nice and perpendicular off of the plate there. So go ahead and get a tack on it. It's hot. Always helps to have a ground. Yikes. Well, here it is, polished up. Not the greatest weld job, a little bit of an undercut, but it's built, and going to put it on eBay, see what it'll sell for. Well, here's one of those repairs, maybe just because I can. So this is a soap dispenser at our kitchen sink, and it broke. And this piece went onto here, and this piece here, I used the screw to pull it out of down inside there. It presses into there. So it's hard for you probably to see, but there's actually a little lip here at the end of this, the plunger, where it snapped off. So, and see if I can do it without dropping it. Well, trust me, there's this little check ball that sat down inside there. And there's actually a little tit down there to hold the check ball from going out in the faucet or out the dispenser. So, dug around, and I found this fitting here, plastic, and if I turn it down, it'll fit in the orifice there. The hole is small enough so that the check ball will work. Cut it to length, and I can go ahead and fit it so it'll fit back down inside this tube, and should be able to fix it. So let's give it hell and see what happens. Okay, well, I got that plastic part in the 4-jaw chuck, and got about 3 thousandths total run out. I'll take that. Let me go handheld for a second. So there's the part in the chuck. You can see I changed out the tip on my indicator to a pointy tip instead of this rounded tip. Haven't lost it yet. So I'll turn that diameter down so it'll go into the plunger. Just to show you, I've got this set of interchangeable tips for the indicator. Comes in handy. There's all the different tips that are available to put on the indicator. Okay, well, putting a mic on this piece, I'm getting 294. Yeah, 294. 293.4. So roughly that's what I'm getting on the size there, and if I pull out a 293 pin, 293 pin fits. There is a little burr in there. There it goes. So a 293 pin fits in a 294 starts. So I think we're going to go for about 294.5 for our fit. Let me see what I got for on the end of this fitting right now. Alright, so the fitting right now in the lathe is at 319. So we've got a little machining to do over here. Well, I'm going to take off about 25 thousandths total, so I just touched off on the tip there. zero set up there. My lathe does have a travel dial on it, right there, and there's one in the both directions. But I find it much easier to use the A-bomb method and read the dial indicator over here. So let's see where we're at. Hang on a second here. Just working my way down. Measurement here. So we're looking for 294.5. Bring me back. Well, I'm going to call it quits there. Might be a tad large, but better than being a tad small. I can always put it back in if I have to. So now I got to cut it the length. Okay, got to cut the length. Put a little chamfer on it, and had to be 400 thousandths long. So we'll see if we can get it turned around. Come on, baby. Jaws are pretty radical on this and bit on it pretty good, I think. Come on. There we go. Okay. See if she fits. Yeah, I think that's going to press up in there nice. Put the ball in there, and we should be good. Okay, now to turn this guy down so it'll fit back inside of the feed straw. Okay, checking this guy here. I grabbed the wrong pin. Yep, 202 pin. Come on, 202. You went in there a second ago. There it is. 202 pin looks like money. 203 wouldn't go. And my fitting right here at the bottom is 200, and the tops of the barbs are at about 230. So we'll just knock those barbs down to 202 and push her home. And we may have a fix. This bit right here is going to shorten my stroke a little bit, but I don't think that's going to create a problem. I'll do a little handheld here. Got it turned around. and taking it down to the 202 dimension. It's a 9,000th pass. Okay, well, good fit. Actually didn't go to 202, stayed at about 205. It's all rough, but nice fit there. And then this guy is going to go up in there and actuate my plunger. I think I may have got it. Let's see if we can put it together. Okay, there's the little check ball. Let's see if I can do it without losing it. And that little check ball is going to go up in there. So I need to make a little fixture, I think. Otherwise, I think I'm going to have a problem. Let me play with something for a second here before I lose this ball. Well, here's a little setup I think I'm going to try. It's got it nice and square. And of course, I just dropped that little ball. I wish you guys were here. You all would have been laughing because I jinxed myself. Okay, so my thought is I'm going to set this right on there. Oh, that's not going to work, Charlie. Goes in too far. All right, rethink. Okay, I think this setup will work. And I'm going to move the camera a little bit. You can see right there I got the back of the magnetic base on the dial indicator. I only want to push this thing in about 350, 375, even though I said it was 400. I don't want to jam that ball. So got it set at 0, and let's give it a shot and see how she goes. There's 100, 200. Getting a little tight at 200. Let's pull it out and take a peek here, see what's going on. Can hear the ball rattling. Well, let's give it a little more. I'm at my 200. Pretty tight. We're going to call it quits there. And still hear the check ball rattling. Let me check out my other height now. This is the dispenser where it sits. So before I glue it up, I'm going to give it a little test run here. Let's see. Yep, there's soap in the bottle down there. And let's see if she pumps. Hey, I think that repairs a success. May not even have to glue it. Okay, one more modification. You can see there's a plastic ring in there. And since I left that square piece on the part, it's actually sitting up a little tall so that this ring should be sitting over this sleeve to prevent from too much rock. So it's an easy fix. Just put it in the 3-jaw and go in there and clean off the square so that that tube will just go down the straw right there. So That's what's up next. Too late in the evening though to keep at it tonight. Well, here's a little handheld for a couple seconds. Looks like it's blurry to me, guys, so I'm going to stop. Okay, turned it down. I think I got it. I'll go give it another try. Success. Got the lid down low enough now. So, job done. Come here. Come on. Come on. As you can see, he can't come out of the screen door. Our other labs knew how to open a screen door. So we'll be right back here. So I said he didn't know how to open a screen door. So he found his own way. He ran through the screen door one day, and so that's his dog door that he made. He knows he can't go through the other door, but he can go through that one. Huh. Hey, Howie boy, sit, sit, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah, say hello. Sit down. Sit down. You sit. Sit. You a good boy? Say goodbye.